The president of the Nigeria Labour Congress, NLC, Joe Ajaero, has been arrested in Owerri, the Imo State capital. Ajaero was picked up from the NLC State Council Secretariat by heavily armed policemen in Owerri and taken to an unknown destination. The head of media at the NLC headquarters, Benson Yupa, stated this via a WhatsApp message. This is coming after the union president commenced the October 1st protest despite a court order restraining the union from embarking on the industrial action.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Struggle for our members, there is victory. Brothers, Imo workers, our brother, have won never. In the struggle for our members, there is victory. Brothers, Imo workers. Our brother, have won never. In the struggle for our members, there is victory. Brothers, Imo workers. Our brother, have won.